Hi, my name is Jody, and I don't often do video testimonials for anybody, but I really felt I needed to do this one. Over the last 2 years, I have been subjected to online cyberbullying, and I always had this feeling that my phone and my devices had been hacked, and I really didn't know where to turn to. What drew me to Shawon was his very high regard from Facebook and his level of intelligence in the subject of ethical hacking. I reached out to Shawon and we had some very in-depth conversations about what could be done, what may have happened, and what we could do moving forward. That reassurance from Shawon was something that I don't think I ever thought was possible, because I really just thought that everybody was going to be the same and everyone was just going to be not able to find the answers to what I believed had happened. We had a few meetings and he was amazing. He stepped everything out for me in point form, and he really reassured me of what he was going to do ethically. Long story short, my devices had been hacked, so my thoughts of that were definitely warranted. And what we found was that they had placed malicious software onto my computer. And for a few days after that, I had a lot of apprehension and anxiety in relation to what these people are trying to achieve. Like, what are they actually trying to find out? So Shawon was able to obtain pertinent information in relation to the case that I now can take to the police as evidence, and we hope for a great outcome. So if anyone else is in the situation that I was in, where you have any kind of inkling that your devices may be compromised, reach out, ask the questions, and always use people that are ethical and will lead you into the right direction. I did have a few reservations in regards to the language barrier between Australia and overseas, but it really wasn't a problem. We hooked up at certain times of the day and it worked really well. So I highly, highly recommend Shawon. He will be able to help you. And if he isn't able to help you, he will tell you that as well. There was one part of my story or my case that he wasn't able to assist with, and he referred me on to someone else that was able to assist. So definitely give him a go. Definitely trust him. I did, and I couldn't be happier with the outcome. So best of luck, Shawon.